Hi. Today we will be discussing some of the different scores that will be interpreted when your child takes the standardized test. First, the grade equivalent. This is a way of comparing student achievement at different grade levels. The score is shown in terms of the grade level and number of months the school has been in session. So for example, if your child is in the third grade and it is the third month of school, it would be shown as 3.3 for the grade equivalent. If the child is above average, the score will look a little different. They will score it, and then it will be interpreted by the level that the child is on. So this means that the child is reading the material of a third grader, as well as the students in a higher grade, but this does not mean that the child is ready for material in a higher grade. For the percentile ranks, these are determined by the cumulative percentages and percentile equivalents under the normal curve, meaning they use this score to look at the norm of scoring and then the individual test scores and compare the two. They accumulate the percentages to arrive at the percentile rank. The percentile ranks are where your child ranks out of all of the students who took the test. Now, for an example for that would be if there was 600 students that took the test, they would score somewhere in between that. Now, for the stay 9. This provides another way to understand the distribution of the score. This is divided into groups of 1 through 9. These scores are helpful in looking at where the child is at on a normal scale. This is how the individual student ranks in comparison with a group of other test takers. These are usually a lot easier for the parents to understand. The stay 9 ranks something like this. 9 is very superior. 8 is superior. 7 is considerably above average. 6 is slightly above average. 5 is average. 4 is slightly below average. 3 is considerably below average. 2 is poor. And 1 is very poor. So your child's score will fall somewhere in that chart once you receive your test scores. My main goal from this is I hope that now when you receive your child's results, you will be able to understand them just a little bit better, and for you to know that I'm always here to answer any questions that you have.